Hey, Ryan from Combat Off-Road. Going to do a quick unboxing of our rear mission doors. So this will be the same idea between our JK, which is 15-1049, and then our JL is 25-1049, and then our JT, which is the one we have here, which has a special kick up to meet the body line, because nobody else does that. That partner is going to be 35-1049. So here we go. We're going to get into it. I think, yep, there we go. Sweet. All right, so this is pretty easy stuff. The back is almost the same as the front, just no mirrors. So obviously we're gonna have our limiting straps for both doors ready to go. Some extra little hairs in there. That's just fine. All our marine grade stainless hardware. Then we're gonna have our packs of OEM hinges here and there. And then we're gonna have our bolts. So that's gonna be our bolts for our hinges and the security bolts for those, which I never use in every video I've ever said. Okay, so let's show you what the door looks like. You're gonna obviously have 2 doors per box. Everything you need for all our products is in the box, ready to go. There's no extra buying stuff. So obviously we're going to use a box cutter. Just be careful not to box cut the finish. It's a nice powder coat, the best we could find, but a box cut knife probably will scratch it. So I'll get this guy with a little bag. All right. So this is a steel door, probably one of our only steel products we have, but it's pretty easy to manage. It's got lots of places to grab it. That's kind of that extra kick up I was talking about. So that's your door, steel, aluminum backing plate. Everything's pre-drilled, ready just to bolt on everything you need. It's a slam latch, so there's no exterior latch. So you just reach over and click that guy up. And if you want to shut it, just slam it shut. That's going to be our removable backing plate. Just the studs there. You remove that so you can powder coat, paint, vinyl wrap, draw with Crayolas, whatever you want to do. And then that'll show through to the other side. You can leave it totally out if you want a little more breezeway, or you can make it black to kind of murder the door out too. So that's it. That's the rear door. So that's going to be the JT 35-1049. But if you had a JK, it's 15-1049. If you had a JL, it's going to be 25-1049. So there you go. Mission tube door. Super cool. Best door on the market for the tube door by far. I think you're really going to enjoy these.